Hey Jim, so here we are, just Dave and myself here. So you can see here, this is our 4-roll system. So you can see there's 2 rolls in the center and 2 rolls on either side, okay? So this is the system here. You can see here, if we hold the tape measure at the center mark here, your parts are 19 inches, so they're out to here. Not a problem at all. As you can see, the 12 gauge would have been a problem because the 12 gauge, the parts were only 8 inches, right? That's the problem. But your 1/4 inch comes out to here. So you're totally zero, no issues, and we can do it. And you see, it's a CNC system, so there might be a benefit in terms of us doing it. Yeah, these are quite a big machine, and you can see all the parts we've been doing here, just today, rolling parts here for a customer of ours. All right, so yeah, looks good. We can definitely get you the parts, and we've got templates here, adjustable for radiuses, but. What do you think? Should I still put the 10 o'clock meeting back on? Here's more cones and stuff that we're rolling here. You can see those. Those are all parts that we're rolling. Parts here as well. They're rolled. Tons of parts. All right. Thanks, Jim.